Teachers affect eternity. No one knows where their influence stops. We have amongst us one such teacher, Miss Tripti Kulshrestha, whose influence on students, I am sure, has not ceased even after they have completed school. We welcome you, ma'am, to judge the event Math Hope.
Thank you.
Art speaks where words are unable to explain, and such is our next guest, Miss Raj Lakshmi, twice a national awardee. She creates magic with her brush. We welcome you, ma'am, to judge the event Math Hope.
Thank you, Manya.
A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. We would like to extend a very hearty welcome to our respected principal, Dr. Renu Sehgal ma'am, a 2 times recipient of Dr. Radha Krishna National Award by our former presidents, Dr. Pranab Mukherjee and Dr. Pratibha Patil. Ma'am is a dedicated educationist with almost 38 years of experience in this field. Ma'am is a recipient of many prestigious awards. To name a few, Principal Award by Akhil Bharatiya Nagrik Kendra in 2008, Jyotirmani Award by the President of India at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi on September 11. Ma'am has guided us in every step of the way and helped us spread our wings so we could excel in our endeavors. We welcome you, ma'am, and thank you for providing us this opportunity to showcase our talent. We extend a very energetic and a competitive welcome to all our participants and their honorable teachers. We wish that you're blessed with accolades for your performances and go back after having learned something new from here. We welcome you all. I would now request our principal, ma'am, to address this August gathering.
Okay, it's going to be good afternoon now, and namaskar to everyone. On behalf of entire Goenka family, I welcome the esteemed chief guest of the day today, Dr. Pradyumna, our distinguished learned judges, Mr. Avni Kamal, Mr. Prajwal Mehra, Ms. Raksha Shekhawat, Mr. Ishan Tyagi, Ms. Ira Sahai, Ms. Tripti Kulshresht, Ms. Raj Lakshmi, and all the participating, Ms. Ira Sahai, and all the participating teams and the learned faculty who's accompanying the teams. We are meeting here on this platform. It's due to pandemic. We would have loved to have you with us on our campus for this event, which was planned in the calendar, but then we could not do it so because of the pandemic. And now we are meeting on this platform. We thought the show must go on. So all the teams must take part with full vigor and enthusiasm and energy, as we know that participation is very important than winning, because the ones who are participating are getting experience. Never mind whether you have the position or you do not have the position. If your school has appointed you, has selected you to participate, that means you are the winner yourself. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough, said by Mr. Kalam. So don't, if you fail, never give up, because failure means first attempt in learning. So don't read success stories, you will only get a message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success. And in life, if you want to live a happy life, tie your life with your goal, not to people or things. Because if you tie yourself with your goal, you have to be focused and you have to move on. मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है, मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है, हर पहलू जिंदगी का इम्तिहान होता है. डरने वालों को मिलता नहीं कुछ जिंदगी में, डरने वालों को मिलता नहीं कुछ जिंदगी में, लड़ने वालों के कदमों में जहान होता है. So I wish every participant to take part with full confidence and enthusiasm and energy, and let's see what happens, because if you have taken this step forward, I'm sure you are going to reach your destination. Of course, difficulties will keep on coming in your life, but you don't have to be scared of the difficulties, because difficulties have to be converted into opportunities. Thank you once again to witness this event on this platform. And once again, from the core of my heart, I thank Dr. Pradyumna and other distinguished judges for sparing their valuable time and for joining this particular event on this platform. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your golden words. Victory belongs to those who are most persevering. And let's embark today's upcoming victory with a song. We heartily welcome you with our energetic welcome song by Shankar sir.
Welcome, welcome, we welcome you today. We are so happy, delighted to have you here this day. Welcome, welcome, welcome you today. We are so happy, delighted to have you here this day. Your presence lifts us, gives us happiness. Yes, awakens the lost. Welcome here we say. Your presence lifts us, gives us happiness. Yes, awakens the lost. Welcome here we say. Welcome here we say. Welcome, welcome, welcome you today. We are so happy, delighted, have you here this day. To have you here this day. To have you here this day.
May I now request our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Pradyumna, to enlighten us with his words of wisdom and address the august gathering.
Namaskar and good morning or good afternoon to everybody. It's not very often that I get to speak in front of children. I generally speak in front of engineers and architects, but I should say that this is a privilege for me to share what I know and what I have learned in this life. Couple of things. There is something called as curiosity. So curiosity is something we should never let go. You know, children are very curious. Small children, if you see, they are very curious about everything. And this curiosity we should not let go in our entire life, in every aspect of our life, in every work that we do. If we are curious, and then we should have passion to work, and we work only what we enjoy. You should enjoy the work, otherwise it has no meaning. So you should enjoy the work, you should have curiosity, and then attention to detail. That means every small thing counts. You have to be extremely careful about how things are done, how you speak, how you behave yourself, the attention to detail, and then willingness to learn. Willingness to learn. The schooling is just the foundation for learning. After the schooling is done, that is when the true learning starts. I am past 60, but I am still learning, and there is still a lot of things to learn. Every day there is something to learn, and this is what keeps us going for our life. If our life would be bland, if we did not have anything to learn, then you keep doing the same thing. There is no difference between us and animals. So these are the principles by which I have been living: curiosity, passion, enjoy working, attention to detail, and willingness to learn. And this willingness to learn means there is no stopping to learning. It is a continuous learning. So the entire life is full of things you can learn. Thank you for this opportunity to speak in front of you people.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We're extremely grateful for you taking out time and gracing this occasion and blessing the students. Now we request you to kindly accept the memento on behalf of our management, principal, staff, and students of GD Goenka.
Please accept this token of love and appreciation from us, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I, on behalf of GD Goenka Fraternity, would like to take this opportunity to present a vote of thanks to our chief guest, Dr. Pradyumna, for taking out his valuable time, the judges for sharing their views, and all the participants for being the backbone of this competition. I would like to acknowledge our deep sense of appreciation and respect for our esteemed principal ma'am, who has given us this platform to showcase our talent during this unfortunate pandemic. This event will be conducted on a total of 4 platforms. The students of grade 1 and 2 participating in Methhope are requested to stay on this meeting ID. The students of class 3 to 5 participating in MathWiz are requested to join the mentioned Zoom ID, that is 776 619 4273. The students of grade 6 to 8 participating in Syncosta Math Relay are requested to join the Zoom ID, that is 671 062 6498. The students of grade 9 to 12 participating in Zero, Infinity and Beyond are requested to join the mentioned Zoom ID, that is 909 865 1590. Thank you, and I wish you all the best for your competition.
I would request the chief guest, whichever ID whichever program you wish to join, please join with any mention, any of the IDs given to you. We would love to have you with us in any of the sessions.
Okay, I will be with Krishna.
Okay, that will be 909 865 1590.
Yeah, I'll go there.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you, everybody. And judges are requested to join as per their events. The IDs are displayed on the screen.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
right here who's going to control grade 1 and 2, Millie and Poonam Bhandari.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm going to make you the host for this. Okay.
Yes.
So that you can control. And I will make this Millie as a co-host. Who's going to handle?
Ma'am, Millie, ma'am.
So I am going to make Millie as a host. Okay. And Poonam Bhandari
Okay,
as
ma'am.
a co-host.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Now you control.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Millie, ma'am, can you just check Kushal group code number 6 is in waiting room? Okay, I'll just check.
I have disabled the waiting room. They can join in.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Poonam, you have to make sorry, Millie, you have to make Poonam as a co-host now, since I have already given you the.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. I'll make.
But now I cannot control anything. You have to control it.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and recording also you can do that from your end, whatever program you have.